Why did, dude, have y'all noticed in this update you move spots every time now?
Yeah.
Yeah, it won't lock it in no more.
So
Yeah, they
annoying.
broke it when they added the 2 new spots. One's going up the middle. Killed one up the middle. There's a D1. D1 moved up. D
Okay,
cannon.
I'm on
There's no
snake
D
lane.
tower.
Hey, we got one in snake. I'm on the
D
snake
tower,
lane.
D tower bump, D tower bump, D tower bump. D's
Yeah, I
gone.
got you.
Reader's gone. Okay,
We
snake
got one,
can
we
in the
keep
center
14.
brick. Snake can and that mini brick
Snake
in the middle.
can.
The god,
Snake
the
moved
god,
up.
the god.
He might be in the snake.
Hey, D-Bert.
Okay.
He's in the
I
snake.
can't-
He's in the snake. Snake only.
Oh, snake only? Shit. Oh boy, this is dumb. Okay. Thanks.
On
you
on
got
Rebel.
Man, my game's been like freezing up like the start of every point.
D
On
wide.
the snake lane.
Okay.
We got killed one
Hey,
on the middle.
we're up a body.
Cool.
I got the D lane. I got the D
bro.
lane.
Snake can.
Okay, snake can move to God.
Okay, baby, be careful, yeah.
D tower.
Hey, that
D
snake
tower.
ain't getting in. I
tower.
got hard.
Shoot. Okay. Oh damn.
That was a
Oh, we got
gnarly
him.
blind shot
Woo!
over everything.